Just a quick update with gold. Earlier, we had a trade signal sa Telegram community natin that we are going to have a buy. And may abang tayo at 4.2. 4.2 going up. No? So far, it's still staying around uh, above 4,200. And also, we cannot ignore this kind of breakout, even though it is in the 15-minute time frame. No? So this is a double bottom formation and yeah, consolidation. We have a bullish divergence here sa RSI natin. Clean breakout with a retest and we can have an entry here for 179 going up, targeting 4220. And meron din tayong abang at 4202. And so as long as the channel is intact, then we can assume or we can trade this as a trend continuation. So we can buy near support, targeting highs, targeting yung mga nasa levels natin, yung mga resistance levels natin, yung mga previous resistance levels natin. So if 4220 gets taken out, then we can expect that it may go to 4280, which is our sell limit. May sell limit tayo dyan. So we're not expecting that it will go back down or it will have a total decline. Okay, but the very least it could have something like this, no? So at 4220, near 4220, ayun yung nangyari. 4220 going back down to 4170 is a really big move already. And same goes with this 4280. If we have a sell limit order there, going back to 4220 is a very big move as well. So we can expect a continuation and buy near support. We can sell on these levels as well. We do have a bias with the bears since meron pa rin namang um, rate hike, no? And hawkish pa rin naman talaga overall yung Fed. But we are not disregarding itong mga gantong breakout. Okay, so that's it for our gold update. So if you want to learn more about forex trading, nandiyan link yung link natin sa bio. So you can join our community where we provide trade ideas and trade signals as well. See you there.